morning, race fans. We are back for Season 3 of the Nascar Sierra Mist Cup Series. Who's going to win this championship and who's going to win the Daytona 500? Drivers, start your engines! Now let's get to the lineup. Starting on the pole position is Derek Cope and Ward Burton. Starting on row 2 is Dave Marcus and Darrell Waltrip. Row 3 is Neil Bonnet and Stacy Compton. Starting on row 4 is Todd Bodine and Ken Schrader. Row 5 is Joe Nemechek, running 2 numbers this year, and Dale Earnhardt Sr. And row 6 is Michael Waltrip and Richard Petty. Row 7 is Mark Martin and Steve Park. Row 8 is Dave Blaney and Dale Earnhardt Jr. And rounding out the field is Ricky Rudd and Ernie Irvin. But these 2 drivers are going to go part-time switching out rides with Morgan Shepherd and Kenny Irwin somewhere between halfway through the season. And even if one of them did win a race, they would go to the playoffs, just like in Season 2, Paul Menard. Green flags in the air, and Derek Cope off to an early lead as here comes Ward Burton with the run on the high side. Darrell Waltrip in the 0 going to the bottom. Here comes Stacy Compton. The 51, Neil Bonnet's going to cut through the grass. Nemechek almost goes over. And what a big moment for that 13 as the big one happens at Daytona. White flags in the air at the Daytona 500. Stacy Compton has the lead. Here comes Dale Earnhardt Sr. and Ward Burton. Burton's starting to fall back. Here comes Richard Petty. And the blue number 43 is going to take the checkered flag at the Daytona 500 for his first career win in the Sierra Mist Cup Series of Season 3, Race 1. He'll get a ride in the All-Star race and the playoffs.